got 2 ribs and somehow on the laser and, I don't get it at all. Well, I do get it. I know exactly what it's about.
What it's about?
So, anyway.
What is it about?
So, chicks like
Hmm.
They're on it. I went to go grab fluids, you already have fluids.
Well, there's so many of us, so yeah. We're kind of on it.
Was there ever like a moment of, I gotta climb up out of this elevator, like straight, like they do in the movies, you know, pop the tile at the top and then climb right up.
Pop the tile at the top? What do you mean?
Alright, so look, in an elevator.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah.
Pop that elevator shaft.
Oh, shoot.
The bad guy's probably in the elevator shaft. He's gonna want to.
Oh, man. Oh, yeah. I see what you're saying.
Did that ever register in your head?
No, my first thought was like, maybe I'll get off of work.
Morning meeting, Kim said, what happened? And I was like, damn, I wonder if you popped the top and tried to climb back up.
Pop the top off the Maybach?
Exactly.
That's crazy. Yeah, I was like, what the heck, bro? I was wondering, how long is this gonna take before it, before it opens up?
The other thing I was wondering is, what's the code of conduct as far as like being stuck in an elevator? Like if you're in there for 4 hours,
Imagine that, bro.
can you shoot in the elevator? Like, can you find a corner and like,
I think the rules are definitely different when you're stuck in an elevator.
what are you supposed to do?
I don't know. I think it'd have to be a lot more than 4 hours. Anything less than like 12 hours and people are definitely gonna judge you.
You're turtle heading at 4 hours and you're gonna be like, oh no, these people are judging me. I can't do
I'm
it.
dead,
I
bro.
might just let it rip in the corner.
I'm crying that this is what you're considering, but you know
That
what?
was my first thoughts.
These
When
are-
she said that, I was like, number one, did you try to escape? Number
Oh
two, what
my
is that?
gosh. These are valid questions though, I must say. That's
Can you
hilarious.
fix that other tray?
Yes, we did.
Okay, here, can you give him this? I'm gonna go.
Are you ready for that pop sutures right here?
Yeah, I'm great with it. Laps. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. 10 lap sponges. Alright. What else do we got here? We've got some Raytex. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Raytex. But if we're gonna end up doing the wanding, then I guess we're gonna have to replace all these sponges.
I think the laps are good. The rays would have to go.
There's no chip in
I
these.
thought if they had the green tag, they were good.
I don't think so. I think they need that magic chip. We've got some blades, 1, 2, 3, 4. We've also got a hypodermic needle. Got a spinal. I'm not sure we're gonna even need that, but we've got it, just in case. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 suture needles, and we've also got a bovie tip over here. Just
Switch out your sponges. I'll grab a bunch of those long green tag.
that would be great. I would love that.
Oh, no problem. I have the count. I'm going to throw it on the board once I get there. Sorted out here. We
Yep.
just got to grab replacement sponges because none of these have the tag.
At the new job, I'm gonna talk with that accent like my first day, and try to convince everything I can,
Switch, like,
and then be like, I'm from Jersey. She need a golden calculator to divide the time it takes to look inside and realize that real guys go for real down to my girl. Yeah, I know you like to think your shit don't stink, but lean a little bit closer, seeing roses really smell like ooh. Yeah, roses really smell like ooh, ooh, ooh. Ah,
So Derek, are you still staying with us?
yes. Yes, I will be here. Yepper doodle. Until the unforeseen future. I will be per diem.
You won't be?
No, I will be.
Oh, okay.
You know, just come from time to time. Enough time so you don't get sick of me.
They have occupation until our trees are checked, so I'll say tree contamination.
Yeah.
That's fair. That's fair. Just don't put Derek.
No.
No.
Because I can't see
Or
steps.
X-ray, we always get blamed.
Plus, we had other people in the room, so.
Yeah.
If I did by myself, I would put that.
Put Gerard and Neil.
Maybe they're coming back.
I wish.
So did you fix that tree with chunks? Correct?
Yes, we ended up keeping it.
Switch thing.
You want a switcheroonie? Those are the techs. Thank you, my friend.
Of course.
All right, and we've got
I'm listening.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Chipped up. Like Bill Gates wants to do to the US citizens. But
I want the check.
you want, and then I need Biomet to come check my like face.
It's not, I just want the extra attention. If someone's willing to come
I'm
look at my
dead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh wait, these aren't detectable. Oh, maybe I'm tripping. Oh wait.
face. Are they the same?
Oh, this is the chip. This is the chip. Yes, you're right.
So are those the same?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah, you were
do
right.
want 20 laps?
I guess that's good.
There you go.
15's good. Sorry.
No worries, no worries. These have to be replaced.
That's
All right, so you're at
perfect.
15.
At
correct?
15. I didn't realize it was right there. I've seen versions where the chip is like somewhere else, but when I do this, I can feel it. I do not want that under my skin, bro.
Don't knock it till you try it.
No.
It might be so cool.
No. And the Bible.
What was the
Right. Getting this stuff together, just organizing, figuring out which instruments you might want to use for this. So ORIF for the ankle. So pull out the things I think we'll need, the things I don't think we'll need, throw it back in here. Just have a certain way I like to organize my instruments on there so that they fit best way they can. He likes these black-handed mitts too.